Xin chào, I'm Matthew Chan from Premo International. We are here today in Hai Phong to train and commission the first Bosch DCI 700 delivered in Vietnam. Together with Dan from Bosch and On, who are here to assist us in these activities. We hope that with the introduction of OE standard testing on DCI 700, we will raise the standard of testing in Vietnam.
4.2 injector to this Bosch 4.2 test chamber on the test bench. So before we install this injector to this chamber, so we need to put the doublet of the oil to this seal ring. Okay, so now you can install on the bench adapter. And this one. So ensure there is a tighten until this no gap. Okay, it's done. So we can put on the test bench for testing. So first of all, we will install this test adapter on the bench. So you can see this is a C and D. So you can install here C and D. Okay.
Vừa nãy làm bên này bây giờ lên đập.
Done. So after done, so we will install this injector to the bench. So before we install on the bench, so we have a two return, and this is the high pressure inlet, and this is the two is the return. So if you want to install on the bench, so we can install now on to the test bench. So for this CRN 4.2 injector, so this is the inlet. So inlet is from here. This is from the high pressure pump. So this is the inlet, and then this is the two is the return. Okay. So if we want to install this on this test bench, so you must be ensure the adapter. So as you can see here, after you install, this one is the facing in the front. Okay, then you should put the lock on here. Okay, so you can install on the bench. So before install on the bench, this one 1 mm. The gap here need to ensure there is a 1 mm here. This is the gap, so you can install that. Okay. So for this tightening top, you should tight to the 25 Newton meter. Yeah, for the tightening top is. So you can plug in the adapter. this to go in front, and this is the holder. So just check the condition of the injector. So everything is okay. Okay. Today we are going to test a Bosch Queen 4.2 injector. Let's start the DCI 700 software. Okay, the first step you need to do is to select the correct injector. So in the list we have a lot of our Bosch injector number. So for this Queen 4.2 injector, the part number it will be 0445 120207. Okay, so once you have selected the correct injector, there are some important information. For example, the adapter, the inlet, all the part number and information is here. Make sure it's connect properly with all the cable. Then after that, next. So this time we are going to test two set of Queen 4.2 injector. So in that case, you need to turn on A and also C. Okay. Then after that, next. So in overview, you can see our test step. So from the start, we have a warm up, and all the way until the last one on step 8, EMA calculation, which is the EMA coding. Okay, let's do the start. Okay, yeah, the door is. Okay, reinitialize. Okay, turn on A and C again and start. Testing information, we have three types. So the first one is overview, which is in general, and the second one we can see the bar display. Okay, you can see the inlet, outlet, and the pressure information. And then we also have the detail display also, where you can see the real pressure value, tank temperature, and rotation speed as well. And also there's one important information you can see here. We are on step 1 of 8, and the total testing time is only 10 minutes for the whole process, including of EMA coding. So you can see the countdown time. Earlier was start with 10 minutes. Now is on step 1 is counting down at 8 minutes plus. Yeah. So now you can see switching to step 2. Current step, it will be leak test. So then we need to, for leak checking, remove the injection chamber, start the test again.
Yeah.
Okay. So after we check, if let's say there's no leak, so we should check yes or no. Okay, if for this case there's no leak, so we just check on the tick for injector A and C. Okay, after that, we can look at the result. Here you can see the new EMA code generated for injector A and also C. And the last part, it will be
a function for you to save all the testing result. So you can click on save button. Okay. So under this protocol, you can view the result again. We have few options for the report. So we have overview, detail, and repairer. For example, we look at overview. Then you can see some of the basic information. Okay, the next one we look at the detail. So you can see some of each of the step testing information. Okay. Okay. In general, the testing result for this injector pass. Okay. Let's look at the repairer information. So you have more information like the injector quantity. That means you can see the range, where is the actual injection volume and the range. For basically the information for you to adjust, do the adjustment. Okay. The detailed result of each of the step. Yeah. I think that's all. Yeah.
Với sự chính xác cao mà DCI 700 mang lại, chúng tôi tin rằng thiết bị này sẽ góp phần cải thiện tiêu chuẩn kiểm tra chất lượng kim phun diesel tại Việt Nam. Cảm ơn quý đối tác đã tin tưởng và sử dụng dịch vụ sản phẩm của chúng tôi.